Running a Gala Games node earns you Gala cryptocurrency daily, and also the chance to receive NFTs. But how will nodes work in the future? What are the upcoming plans Gala Games has for the nodes? And what does all this mean for current and future node owners? This video will recap the next-gen Gala Games nodes presentation Gala Games did as part of GalaCon, as well as other relevant information for node owners that was shared in some of the other presentations. On the last weekend of February 2021, Gala Games hosted an online convention called GalaCon. The convention included presentations from people at Gala Games, AMAs, and a lot of playing old-school games as a form of community building. One of the most anticipated things at GalaCon was the first video footage of the upcoming game Mirandus. It looks amazing, and I can't wait to play it. Gala Games also presented a lot of new information about Gala Games nodes. But before we get into all that, a bit of a disclaimer. I don't work for Gala Games, and as such, I don't speak for them. In the presentations at GalaCon, they made it clear that some of the information given was not yet set in stone, and were just ideas about where they wanted to go. This means that some of the future plans for Gala Games nodes may not happen exactly according to what is said here. And finally, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Phew, glad that's out of the way. So, what happened at GalaCon that affects node owners? While there was a specific session just about nodes, there was also information relevant to node owners scattered throughout the conference. One of the coolest things presented was that although Gala Games did not announce any specific new games, they did say that there are currently 7 games under development. This is great for node owners, as the more games in the Gala Games network, the more value a node creates. For example, the CEO of Gala Games talked about a new tower defense game being worked on. As part of the work on this game, node owners will start receiving NFTs in late March or early April. These NFTs will be things such as land, units, and upgrades for the new game. To give you an idea of how big of a deal this is, some of the NFT land deeds that node owners receive for Mirandus are now selling for $10,000. And this is just one new game. They have 7 in the pipeline. Gala Games also announced the Gala Game Fund, which will grant money to game developers to develop games for the Gala Games network. Developers can submit proposals at gala.fund. These proposals will then be curated by the Gala Games team. The proposals that look good will then be presented to node owners, who will then get to vote on whether the project will be funded by the Gala Game Fund. As the Gala Games ecosystem is developed further, the nodes will play a more integral role in the governance of the Gala Games network. In another presentation, it was announced that Gala Games is starting a new program where they will work with artists to help them mint and distribute their artwork as NFTs. In exchange for doing this, the artist will give some of those NFTs to Gala Games, who will then distribute them to node owners. With the craziness of the NFT art market, who knows how much those NFTs could be worth? As mentioned earlier, as part of GalaCon, Gala Games did a presentation entitled Next Gen Gala Games Nodes. The presentation was done by the CTO of Gala Games, Adam Price. It is important to note that even though the title of the presentation included Next Gen, that the presentation was still referring to the nodes that are currently on sale, which are known as grandfather nodes or founders nodes. In this presentation, they talked about what is coming up next for Gala Games nodes, and also what their plans are for what they will work on after that. The first major change to nodes is that in the future, they will run a decentralized content delivery network for Gala Games. The presentation was quite technical, but basically what this means is that Gala Games content would begin to be served up by Gala Games nodes rather than a central server. For example, today when you launch the game Townstar, it needs to download about 80 to 100 megabytes of files in order to get the game running. In the future, rather than downloading these files from a central Gala Games server located in Oregon, your computer would download them from Gala Games nodes that are online near you that have copies of the data. What this means for node owners is that once the system is implemented, nodes may receive additional content delivery rewards based on how much data the node is handling. While the details of this have not been finalized, it would most likely be that nodes will earn additional points in the daily Gala distribution, and thus more Gala tokens, similar to the way node owners can earn additional points in the distribution for referrals today. For information on how the daily Gala distribution works, you can check out the video that's linked in the upper right. While no dates were mentioned, the work for implementing decentralized content delivery on Gala Games nodes is nearing completion, and Gala Games said it should be released in the pretty short term, whatever that means. After this is implemented on the Gala Games nodes, the next thing they are planning on looking into is creating a Gala private blockchain that will run on the nodes. The first thing they mentioned about this is to clarify that this does not mean that Gala Games won't be using public blockchains. The Gala private blockchain will not replace Ethereum, Flare, or any other public blockchains. Gala Games' goal is to be a multi-chain platform. This means that you can choose which blockchain your NFTs and currency will be on. Also, this is in the very early stages, and thus it's possible that Gala Games may decide to implement a different solution instead of this one. If implemented, what this will mean for players and node owners alike is that the Gala and NFTs in your treasure chest would actually be on the Gala private blockchain, and thus would be usable in-game without having the extra step of minting them on the Ethereum blockchain or another blockchain. This will make it not only easier to use, but also eliminate gas fees for using items within the Gala Games network. Another way implementing a private blockchain running on Gala Games nodes could be beneficial to node owners is, well, I'll just let you hear it in their own words.
What happens when we start minting Townstar coin, Miranda's coin, Tower Defense game coming coin?
Well, it's going to be minted
Node
on our
owners.
private blockchain, and
Yeah.
portions of that will, go to the network. Is that what you're getting at?
Yeah, we just leave it at that. Let them
Yeah.
slowly digest that concept.
In other words, in the future, the nodes will not just earn GalaCoin, but also coins from the games in the Gala Games network. You could either use these coins yourself in the games, or convert them to Gala. And thus, if you want, you could also convert the Gala to other crypto or cash. This could potentially add a lot of value to Gala Games nodes in the future. For instance, imagine when Gala has dozens of games or more, and you are generating cryptocurrency for each one of them on your nodes. So, I know what you're thinking. It sounds like the nodes will be doing a lot more stuff compared to what they're doing now. Am I going to need a more powerful computer? Will my VPS still work? Gala Games confirmed that higher power will be necessary and said that some low-end VPSs may not cut it anymore. However, it won't be like the crazy GPU mining systems used on other blockchains. Gala Games stressed that it will only be a modest increase in system requirements and that they are, quote, committed to not doing any pointless computational nonsense, end quote. These nodes will be doing real work that is needed to run the network, not just a power waster like some blockchains. With all that, we'll have to wait and see what these future requirements will actually be. However, based on what they have said, I'm guessing that it may just be a situation of needing to upgrade to a higher level VPS. As you can see, Gala Games shared a lot of new information about the future of Gala Games nodes. To recap, there's 7 new games in development. Tower Defense game NFTs will start getting distributed to node owners in late March 2021. Node owners will be able to vote to decide which new games will get development grants from the Gala Game Fund. The new artist program will drop art NFTs to node owners. Nodes will start running a decentralized content delivery network for Gala Games with the possibility of new node rewards based on content delivered, and the potential of nodes running a private Gala blockchain, and when implemented, node owners will start receiving a percentage of the game-specific coins minted for all the games. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Personally, I'm very enthusiastic about the future of Gala Games and the Gala Games nodes. These announcements at GalaCon about the future plans are great news for node owners. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Gala Games nodes, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. I also have a link to Gala Games in the video description below. Additionally, you can also learn more at galanodeguide.com. It's great to hear that Gala Games has 7 more games currently in development. I look forward to the official announcements of what those games will be. Until then, be sure to check out Gala Games' first release, Townstar. It's free to play and is a super fun town farm building game. And if you use the link in the description below, you can receive 100 Gala after you've been playing Townstar for a few days. The footage of Mirandus looks awesome. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to play it. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.